and just let the rope wind itself all the way back in. Hey guys, Machines and Metal. I was just working on this old BE pressure washer, and the pump had self-combusted, so I removed that. But I also noticed that the Recoil had this extra little bit of little bit of rope hanging out of it. The Recoil still works. It still retracts, but it needs to be rewound. I just wanted to show you really quick, guys, how you can do this in seconds instead of having to take this apart, rewind the spring, and rethread the rope. Okay guys, so what you want to do is get a thing like a screwdriver or something and pull this out all the way. Notice it pulls back in, but there's that much left over. Pull it out all the way, drop this through just so it kind of stops there. And then what you want to do is get another little hook like this and fish this rope like so, and then just add a wind. So take this rope and just wind it all the way around, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of pop it down inside of these, in between the case and the spool, like that. And one more, like that. Then pull out this thing and just let the rope wind itself all the way back in. And that's how you can tighten up a rope without taking apart the Recoil. All right, hit the subscribe button for more videos about stuff like that. Thanks for watching.